There's Simeon Tuitt here from simeontuitt.co.uk. Now in front of you, you can see a few of my remote controls. Now these are the ones that I could actually find around the house. Now these control different things from TVs to fans to LED strips to some exercise equipment to plug sockets. Now all these different remotes, as you can imagine, are kind of overwhelming when it comes to controlling things. And if I need to control, one of the devices that these remotes actually, function with, I have to go in search of the remote control. They're not just all laid out like they are right now. Now this is why I got into home automation, because I wanted a way to get all these remote controls controlled entirely from my mobile phone, so that I wouldn't have to go on a mad search looking for the right remote control for the right device. And as you can imagine, all these remotes do use a lot of batteries. Now you can do the exact same thing, and it's incredibly easy to do. What I'm going to be doing is introducing you to a very special product that you can just basically, put in your home and record all the signals from these remotes and then control them all from your mobile phone. So instead of, having to go looking for, whichever TV it is, whether it's your bedroom TV or whether it's a living room TV remote, you won't need to do that anymore. You can just quite simply use your mobile phone, which you have with you all the time, to control them. And at the same time, if you've got things like fans, you can, add those signals to this, remote device that I'm going to be introducing you to, and you can control your entire home from your mobile phone. Now it goes even further than that, because you're going to be able to do it when you're away from your home. Because check out, like I say, all these remotes. Now each one of these goes to a different device, a different electronic device. Now could you imagine turning off every single one of those devices when you leave the house? Yeah, you can imagine it'd be a bit of a task, and nobody's actually going to do it. And even though every one of these remotes has something that's on standby, standby costs money. It's not the energy saver that you really think it is. Now, what you want to be doing is actually turning things off at the plug completely. And you can do that by buying, plug sockets that you remote control. But again, that adds another remote to all these existing remotes to, be controlling. So this is why I want to introduce you to this special device that you can control entirely from your mobile phone. So instead of just turning the TV off onto standby, you can turn the entire wall socket off. And it's incredibly easy to set up. Like I say, I've got every single one of these remote controls and more on my mobile phone, completely controlled from my mobile phone. And if I go out the house and I leave the TV on, doesn't matter where I go, I can turn it off from anywhere. And that's what this special hub does, that basically allows you to control any electronic device that has a remote control, whether it's radio frequency or whether it's infrared, from anywhere. Now even if you've got curtains, and that's one of the controls that's actually missing from here, the remote control curtain opener. So I had to add that to the mobile phone, because at the end of the day, if you want to open up your curtains, you don't want to be looking around for a remote control to do it. Otherwise, you might as well just get up and open them manually. So keep checking out my videos. If you've not been to simeontuitt.co.uk already, go there, check out the website. But like I say, this is one of the reasons I got into home automation and into simplifying things, because it saves money. Like I say, every single one of these devices, if you, left them on, even on standby, would be costing money. Now, this is just the remote controlled devices that you can see. Imagine things that you might be leaving on, like lamps, irons, curling tongs, hair dryers, and all those other things that you might just leave on when you're in a mad dash out the house to get to work, all costing you money. But if you add them to this very special hub that I'll be introducing you to, then quite simply you can turn them off no matter where you are. And this is what home automation and smart homes allow you to do. They allow you to control your home, save money, and basically, have fun in the process by just... Can you imagine how much fun it is actually controlling everything from your mobile? It's just crazy. But anyway, like I said, I just wanted to do this video just to basically show you and illustrate one of the reasons that I got into home automation, other than the fact it's cool. Anyway, I'm going to end this video right now, but if you've not been to simeontuitt.co.uk, get there now. I've got loads of videos on the main page. Check them out, see what I've done with home automation, and quite simply, if you want to get started, then it all starts very, very soon, and it starts at simeontuitt.co.uk. So thanks for checking out the video. Bye for now.